Hello everyone. Today we are discussing meaning and definition of office, object and purpose of office, and importance of office. This is the first chapter of office management subject. Let us discuss its introduction part first. What is an office? Office is an integral part of any business. चाहे कोई स्कूल है, हॉस्पिटल है, क्लब है, बैंक है, इंश्योरेंस कंपनी है, गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट है, कोई भी फैक्ट्री है या कोई भी रिटेल शॉप है, एनी काइंड ऑफ बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन या कोई स्टॉक एक्सचेंज है, ऑफिस इज ऑलवेज देयर. इट इज सेटअप टू हैंडल इंफॉर्मेशन एंड डेली ट्रांजेक्शन इन अ सिस्टमेटिक मैनर. सो ऑफिस इज एन इंटेग्रल पार्ट ऑफ ऑल बिजनेस हाउसेस. आजकल के टाइम में जब इतनी कॉम्प्लेक्सिटीज़ बढ़ गई हैं, बिजनेस का कंपटीशन इतना बढ़ गया है और बिजनेस एक्टिविटीज़ भी बहुत फैल चुकी हैं, तो जो नीड है और इम्पोर्टेंस है ऑफिस की, दैट इज़ इनएविटेबल. एवरी बिजनेस ट्रांजेक्शन नीड्स इंफॉर्मेशन फॉर द पर्पज ऑफ प्लानिंग एंड कंट्रोल. प्लानिंग करनी हो बिजनेस के लिए या बिजनेस की एक्टिविटीज़ को कंट्रोल करना हो, विदाउट ऑफिस required information cannot be collected and processed. This is the reason that is why every business organization has office and it is an integral part of any business house. So office की जो meaning है वो क्या है? Office is a place where the control mechanism of the organization is located. इट इज़ एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सेंटर ऑफ द बिजनेस. कोई भी जो बिजनेस का ऑफिस है, ये एक ऐसी प्लेस है, ये एक ऐसी बिल्डिंग है जिसमें पूरे बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का कंट्रोल मैकेनिज्म जिस पे रेस्ट करता है. इसके अलावा जो किसी भी ऑफिस का या किसी भी मतलब बिजनेस का जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सेंटर है वो ऑफिस ही जाना जाता है. और इसका जो बेसिक पर्पस होता है वो होता है किसी भी तरह की कम्युनिकेशन सर्विस प्रोवाइड करना और रिकॉर्ड को जो है वो मेंटेन करके रखना. जो डिक्शनरी मीनिंग है, डिक्शनरी मीनिंग के हिसाब से कहा जाता है, ऑफिस मीन्स बिजनेस इज अ प्लेस वेयर बिजनेस इज कैरिड ऑन, the building in which a state department is housed, and the part of building in which domestic discharge their duties. The dictionary meaning is wide in scope and covers not only business work but also work performed in government department and even at home. सो क्लियर अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए डिक्शनरी मीनिंग भी हमें समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है, जो ये कहता है कि एक बिल्डिंग है कि जिसमें हमारे सारे इम्पॉर्टेंट अफेयर्स डील होते हैं, जिसमें हम हर तरह की ड्यूटीज़ परफॉर्म करते हैं, जिसमें हम अपना रिकॉर्ड मेंटेन रखते हैं, जहाँ से हम सारे कम्युनिकेशन सर्विसेज को हैंडल करते हैं. कोई कॉरस्पॉन्डेंस है, इनवर्ड आउटवर्ड एवरीथिंग इज हैंडल्ड हेयर. सो इट इज़ दी rightly said कि this is the control mechanism and this is the nerve center of any organization. Now what are the object or purpose of office? First is to provide sufficient information. ऑफिस का जो सबसे फोरमोस्ट और सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट काम है वो है इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करना, लेना भी और देना भी. सेकंड, फैसिलिटेट फंक्शनिंग ऑफ अदर डिपार्टमेंट्स. In an organization so many departments are there, so their functioning is facilitated by the office by coordination activities on their part. Then facilitate decision making. Office facilitate decision making by the management by providing important information and necessary data. Then to preserve all kind of record, every kind of record related to expenditure, salary, uh, attendance or a personal record, all kind of record is available in the office. Then to plan the activities of business, to make future plans for the business, management needs some information, some data which is provided by the office. To coordinate activities of all department, all the department activities are synchronized or coordinated by the office because it acts as a control mechanism, so it gives guidance and guidelines to the various departments, so which results in coordination. To handle correspondence, incoming correspondence, outgoing correspondence, both are handled by the office. To have ideal flow of work, work should be there should be ideal flow of work means no interruption, no mismanagement, फ्लोइंगली वर्क जो है वो हम पूरा करें विदाउट एनी डिस्ट्रप्शंस. So from these points, it is very much clear that it is a place where office work is performed and business activities are coordinated and controlled. So important feature of office work is work itself and not a place. Office work may be performed in a place called office or factory or elsewhere. You can give a corner to office person, they can sit there, or you can give them a separate room or a separate building, depends upon the availability of space. So this is the object or purpose and meaning of office. Now we shall discuss importance of office. Otherwise, importance is already clear from its object and purpose of office, but still we will discuss its importance in a detailed manner. First point on the right side is written information center. Office is considered as memory of a business. It is an office where all uh, it is a building, or you can say it's a point where all type of information is received, recorded, arranged and presented to management to form basis for planning, organizing and directing. So it is a memory of a business, yani all kind of information is received, recorded and arranged here, kept in files or in computers wherever necessary, and it is presented to the management whenever they need it for planning, organizing, directing and control purpose. Second is control center. With the help of information received through reports and statements, management can take various decisions and exercise control. So all kind of record is there, all kind of information is in office. They can easily compare the performance of various department, and if some department is lagging behind or actual performance is low as per the compared to the standards settled, then they can issue guidelines for the improvement of performance. So we can say that office is also a control center. Then service center. Office serves all departments of a business organization with necessary information so that these departments may function properly. All kind of services are provided by office, like all kind of clerical services like correspondence, typing, photostat, filing, emails, etc. Then next is nerve center. Office acts as administrative nerve center of any organization where policies are formulated and executed. Nerve means it is also a sort of control center. It acts as administrative nerve center where policies are formulated and executed. All the plans are made and all the decisions are taken at the office level. Profit center. Recently, office is treated as a contributed toward profit through, though indirectly. Office work is productive in nature and performance of an office work can be measured. Office helps in saving cost. Any reduction in cost is nothing but a contribution towards profit. So as I have told you about the control center, ki all the activities are controlled. We measure the actual performance, we measure the actual cost incurred, we measure the actual production done, and these are compared, and wherever there are some problems, these can be problems can be removed, and which will result in profit center. Helps coordination. Office acts as a link between different departments. Office provide necessary knowledge and information for the coordination of various activities of business. जो ऑफिस है वो इतनी इम्पॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन देता है कि जो दूसरे डिपार्टमेंट्स के साथ कोऑर्डिनेशन में काम आती हैं. अगर किसी डिपार्टमेंट को किसी भी तरह की कोई कन्फ्यूजन है, गाइडलाइंस क्लियर नहीं है, या उनको कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन और चाहिए, then they can go to the office and get information from there, and which will result in coordination. Helps in communication. As I have earlier explained, that all kind of inward and outward correspondence is handled in the office. All kind of reports, memos, circular notices originate from the office, and if some letter has received from any outside agency, that will also be handled in the office. Helps in preserving record. Office acts as a storehouse of records for future reference. Reports, letters, circulars, notification, title deeds, contracts and agreements. policies of insurance, etc., are filed by office only. All kind of record is preserved by the office. Why? Just for future reference. Reports, it can be, record can be in the form of report, it can be in the form of letter or circular or notification. Any title can be there, or any agreement signed, or any policies made, or insurance documents, everything is available in the office record. Without record, no function is possible, because we always depend upon the record for future policies, for future planning, for future decisions, or any dispute in the future, for any court cases. Everything is based on record. So that is a very important function which is done by the office for by preserving record. Helps customer. Various inquiries may come to the office, for product related inquiries can be there, service related inquiries can be there, about new product, new policies, new advertisement guidelines, or any kind of bonus or coupon scheme, etc., which business is going to start. Customer may inquire about such thing, of season sales, etc. So these inquiries are replied by the office. तो customer को काफ़ी help मिल जाती है इस तरह की information लेने के लिए office से. Helps employees. Office provides a service to employees by giving information regarding their salaries, their deductions, provident fund, balances, leaves due and leaves avails, etc. So it is an office which keeps record of workers' attendance, payment of wages, calculation of overtime, etc. So if proper records are kept and employees are informed about any change in law affecting their rights, they feel satisfied. So office always helps its employees. These are some important office services. Besides these, office also is helpful to various shareholder, creditor, government, general public. Means you cannot imagine a business organization without an office. It is an indispensable identity or indispensable thing for any business organization, because it is an information center, a control center, a record center, helps its customer and its employees. So on the whole we can say कि ऑफिस जो है, ऑफिस हमारे बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट एक एस्पेक्ट है, जिसके बिना वी कैनॉट इमेजिन टू रन आवर बिजनेस सक्सेसफुली. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक्स.